Starting a business can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. If you're looking to set up your LLC for government contracts, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to make sure you're ready to tap into government opportunities. Whether you're new to business or experienced, understanding how to navigate government contracts is key. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to set up your LLC and start bidding on government contracts. Let's get started. Before we dive deeper into the details of setting up your LLC for government contracts, let's talk about something that can really simplify the process for you: BZ. If you're starting your own business or need assistance with LLC formation, BZ is a great professional service that can help. They offer streamlined solutions for business registration, making the entire process fast and easy. With BZ, you can avoid the hassle of paperwork and focus on what really matters. A full review of BZ is available in the description box below, and their website is linked in the first comment. Make sure to check them out. Now, let's get into the details of how to set up your LLC specifically for government contracts. The first thing you need to understand is that a properly established LLC is essential if you want to work with the government. The first step is to register your LLC with the state. This involves choosing a unique business name, filing articles of organization with your state's Secretary of State, and paying the required filing fee. Once your LLC is officially registered, you'll have a legal entity recognized by the government, which is crucial for entering into government contracts. Next, you need an EIN, also known as a Federal Tax Identification Number. This is like a Social Security number for your business. You can easily apply for an EIN online through the IRS website, and it's free of charge. You'll need this to open business bank accounts, hire employees, and of course, sign contracts with the government. To bid on government contracts, you must be registered in the System for Award Management, SAM. This is where the government keeps track of all eligible businesses for contracting opportunities. You'll need to create an account, fill out your business information, and certify that you're eligible to do business with the government. Government contracts can vary, so it's important to understand the types you might be eligible for. There are several different categories, such as federal contracts, state contracts, and local government contracts. You'll also want to know if your business qualifies for set-asides, which are contracts reserved specifically for small businesses, veteran-owned businesses, or minority-owned businesses. Once you're registered and ready to go, you can start bidding on government contracts. Make sure your proposals are clear, competitive, and tailored to the specific needs of the agency you're working with. Remember, government contracting is highly competitive, but with the right approach and a solid LLC structure, your business can thrive. Now, you might be wondering, how do you stand out when bidding for government contracts? It's not just about having the lowest price, it's about offering the best value. Make sure your proposals highlight your unique strengths, experience, and how your services align with the government agency's needs. Focus on what sets you apart from the competition. Another key factor is understanding the government's priorities. Different agencies have different needs, and tailoring your proposal to meet those specific needs will give you a significant edge. Research the agency's mission and goals to understand what they value most and show them how your business can help achieve those objectives. Networking plays a crucial role in government contracting. Many government contracts are awarded to businesses that have established relationships with the agencies. While most contracts are competitive, building strong relationships with government representatives and prime contractors can help you get noticed and increase your chances of being awarded contracts. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops related to government contracting. Many government agencies host these events to connect with small businesses. Take advantage of these opportunities to learn more about what the agencies need and to establish connections with key decision-makers. Certification can also help you win government contracts. For example, if your business is minority-owned, woman-owned, or veteran-owned, you may be eligible for specific set-asides. These contracts are reserved exclusively for businesses with these certifications, giving you a competitive edge. Programs like the 8A Business Development Program are specifically designed to help small businesses gain access to government contracting opportunities. Being a part of such programs can increase your chances of being awarded contracts and open up additional resources to grow your business. To qualify for the ADA program, a business must meet several eligibility requirements, including being a small business, being at least 51% owned and controlled by socially or economically disadvantaged individuals, and having been in business for at least 2 years. Once you start winning government contracts, it's critical to stay compliant with all the rules and regulations. Government contracts often come with strict reporting and performance requirements. Non-compliance can result in penalties or even disqualification from future contracts. Make sure you understand the terms of each contract and meet all deadlines. Stay on top of your invoicing, reporting, and performance metrics. This will help build your reputation and ensure you continue to receive government contracting opportunities. One of the key aspects of winning government contracts is understanding the bidding process. It's not just about filling out forms, it's a strategic process that requires thorough preparation and planning. Government agencies often have strict requirements for how bids should be submitted, including document formats and specific requirements for each contract. Another important point is demonstrating your business's ability to deliver the contract on time and within budget. A strong proposal doesn't just include details about your services, but also provides solid evidence that your company can be a reliable contractor. This can be supported by your previous projects, client testimonials, and certifications that validate your qualifications. You also need to be ready for thorough vetting by government agencies. This could involve audits of financial records, verifying your experience in relevant areas, and assessing your capacity to perform the contract. Have all necessary documents prepared in advance to speed up the process. Government contracts often imply long-term relationships. If you successfully complete your first project, it will open up new opportunities for securing more contracts with the same agency or other government entities. Therefore, it's important to develop a strategy that allows you not only to fulfill the project, but also to maintain good relationships with key contacts within the agency. Build relationships with government agencies by staying in touch throughout the duration of the contract. Regular reporting, high-quality work, and professionalism will help your business not only win the contract, but also increase your chances of securing future opportunities. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our future content. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on valuable tips and strategies for business registration, LLC formation, and winning government contracts. And be sure to ring the bell to get notifications whenever we release new videos. This way, you'll always be in the loop with the latest information to help your business succeed. Good luck with your business journey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care and stay motivated.